Start your trading journey with FXPRIMUS today in just a few simple steps. Click on Register or Open Account in the FXPRIMUS website and complete the registration form. Once completed, you will receive a verification code on your email that will be required to access your exclusive members area. Welcome to the members area. Complete all 4 steps of the registration process within 31 days and receive a welcoming gift of $100. Next, complete your personal details. Choose a trading platform and trading account. Remember, for exclusive promotions, you need to choose the MT4 trading platform, as they are only available there. Select your preferred account type, leverage, then currency, and finish creating your account with a short questionnaire. For a deposit up to $2,000 US, you can start trading immediately without completing KYC documentation. Simply choose your preferred payment method from the list, select your bank account currency, and click Deposit. Continue and enter your bank account number to finalize the payment. Click Submit. Congratulations, you just completed your first deposit. You have received an email with your MT4 account credentials, including login number, password, and server details. Keep this information secure, as it will be required to successfully connect and log in to your account on the MT4 trading platform. You are now ready to download the platform and start trading. Check your downloads for the installation file. Double-click and follow the installation steps. Welcome to the platform. Now, let's connect your trading account so you can start trading. Click on File on the top navigation menu, and from the drop-down menu, select Login to Trade Account. You are going to need the login information from the deposit email you received earlier. Click on Login and enjoy trading with FXPRIMUS.